What if one simple drink could regrow your body's own stem cells, and at the same time turn your fat into a natural fat-burning machine? Sounds impossible, right? But according to world-renowned physician and researcher Dr. William Li, certain natural ingredients can actually switch on your body's repair system and ignite metabolism from within. In this video, we'll uncover Dr. Li's fascinating discovery, the exact science behind this drink, how it regenerates stem cells, and how it helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Stay till the end, because I'll also share how you can make it part of your morning routine starting tomorrow. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at your morning cup the same way again. Who is Dr. William Li, and why it matters? Dr. William Li is a Harvard-trained medical doctor, world famous for his research on how the body can heal itself. He studied foods and compounds that activate stem cells, those microscopic builders that repair tissues, renew organs, and keep us young. The hidden power of stem cells. Stem cells are your body's repair army. When you're young, they're everywhere, fixing, rebuilding, restoring. But as we age, stress, toxins, and poor diet slow them down. The exciting news? Certain nutrients can wake them up again. And you don't need expensive treatments. It might just be sitting in your kitchen right now. The drink, what it is. According to Dr. Li's research, some natural drinks can stimulate stem cell activity and activate brown fat, the special kind of fat that burns energy to keep us warm. His top choices include green tea, rich in EGCG, which encourages stem cell growth and fat oxidation; cacao, the main ingredient in dark chocolate, which supports blood vessel repair and improves metabolism; and berries, packed with antioxidants that protect stem cells from damage. The fat-burning switch. Here's where it gets wild. Your body actually contains two kinds of fat: white fat that stores energy, and brown fat that burns it. Dr. Li's studies reveal that compounds in green tea and cacao can activate brown fat, literally turning your own fat into a calorie-burning furnace. How the drink works together when you combine these ingredients. Say, a warm cup of green tea with a bit of unsweetened cocoa powder and a few berries blended in. You're creating a stem cell supporting powerhouse. You're feeding your body the molecules it needs to repair itself and to burn fat naturally. It's not magic, it's metabolic science. Scientific proof. In one study cited by Dr. Li, people who regularly consumed high cacao hot chocolate had more circulating stem cells and better blood vessel function. Another showed that green tea drinkers burned up to 17% more fat during exercise. So imagine what happens when you make this drink a daily habit. How to make the drink. Here's a simple version you can try at home. Brew a strong cup of green tea, or matcha. Add 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cacao powder. Optionally, toss in a few crushed blueberries or a dash of cinnamon. Stir well and sip it warm in the morning. No sugar, no artificial stuff, just pure, healing fuel for your cells. Real impact. People who've added this drink to a balanced diet report more energy, sharper focus, and even steady weight loss over time. It's not a quick fix, it's a cellular upgrade. Because when your stem cells work better, everything in your body does. The mindset shift. Dr. William Li's message is simple. Your body isn't broken. It's waiting for the right signals to heal itself. Food is one of those signals. So next time you reach for an energy drink or another coffee, remember, a simple natural cup could be reawakening the most powerful healing system you already have. This isn't just about losing fat. It's about rebuilding yourself from the inside out. If you found this eye-opening, try making this drink every morning for the next 14 days and see how you feel. Let me know your results in the comments. And if you want more science-backed ways to heal your body naturally, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because your best doctor might just be your own body.